Hey everyone, it's time for new Lego building and unboxing. And this time it's a Lego Harry Potter set. It's Lego 75968 and it's about 797 pieces. And it is also Harry's home, the Lego 4 Privet Drive, I believe it's called. It comes with a lot of great characters like Petunia, Dudley, Ron, Harry, and also Dobby, as well as Vernon, the dad of his cousin. It comes with the awesome car that flies around, and yeah, no, the box is really great. In the back, it kind of shows you all the different things that are inside the building as well. Well, I'm about ready to open this one, just so you know that there is little thumbprints for you and fingerprints for you to push in and open that way. I'm probably just gonna cut it up from the top so that I don't have to like damage the box too much. Well, it's time to finally open our acceptance letters to Hogwarts. Here we go. All right, so as we open up the set through here, this is quite a large box, so pardon any noise that comes out. Let's slide this off. Whoa! Ooh-wee. It's a lot of bags. A lot of bags. Here's the manual. It's quite a thick one, so I might be here for some time. Let's see. Let's try to organize these bags here. So I believe we have a total of 5 bags. So here's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and also we come with a little base. That's probably gonna be around the bottom of the house, I'm thinking, I could be wrong. And it comes with a lot of really great photos. It has like photos of the family, also of the letters and stuff, so I'm really excited to build this one. So why don't we just get this started? Alrighty. everyone, we are all done with this Lego Harry Potter set. It is such a fun build to do with so many like iconic moments. Like Dobby dropping the cake and also the letters, as well as the car escape. There's just so much great playability here and so much wonderful things to see. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please feel free to hit like and also subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.